I want to share with you the courses and certifications I took to learn digital marketing that eventually got me a full-time digital marketing job. Now, some of these courses are free and others are paid. Nevertheless, after you watch this video, I'm confident that you will have the courses and resources to learn digital marketing. And then after this video, just make sure you watch my video on how I practiced and got digital marketing experience, which is ultimately what helped me get a full-time digital marketing job. So first you have to learn it, and then you have to practice it. So with that being said, let's jump right into my computer and walk you through those courses and certifications. So the courses, these are the exact courses I took to get a full-time digital marketing job. Some were updated, others are outdated, but still, I think the courses are a big help nevertheless. So the first one is Udacity. Udacity Digital Marketing Nanodegree. Now this Udacity Nanodegree, it costs about $800 for 4 months. They changed the pricing. When I did this like 4 or 5 years ago, it was about $1,000. Could be a little pricey, but when you think about like a semester in community college, it's about $800, at least for the community college that I went to. So I think it's worth it if you know nothing about digital marketing and you're someone that likes that school structure. You want deadlines, you want set project and like a set lesson plan structure, and someone to keep you accountable, then this is perfect for you. It's perfect for complete beginners. So recommend Udacity Digital Marketing Nanodegree. But if you do know the basics of digital marketing and you don't really like that school structure, or anybody telling you to finish a project, then this isn't for you. Now, second is Hubspot, and HubSpot is great because they offer a lot of free certifications, and it's called Hubspot Academy. I think they added more, but the ones I took was the inbound marketing and the social media marketing courses, and they actually give you like a certification, and it's cool because you can add that certification to like your LinkedIn profile or even your resume. So definitely check that out if you want to learn about some of the basics of digital marketing. And I added digital advertising here as well. Third one is Udemy courses. Oh, and then I forgot to mention with HubSpot, these are a lot shorter. So what I mean by shorter is they're only like a couple hours long. Like this one is 8 hours long. Another one is like 5 hours long. They're like between 5 to 10 hours long. And the next one, Udemy, they're longer. They could be like 15 to 20 to 80 hours long. So Udemy does have more in-depth courses for sure. The ones I took was this Facebook course. It's Facebook ads and Facebook marketing mastery. I like this one because this is the one I originally took years ago, and they keep updating it. So last updated was November 2023, and I am recording this video December 2023. And you'll learn how to manage, how to get access to the business manager, how to navigate the business suite, how to create an ad, everything about campaigns and structure and the pixel, everything you need to know about Meta, Facebook and Instagram, and managing ads on their platform. The second one is Google Ads certification. Now this one has not been updated, but it's such a good course, and I learned so much about just the account structure and how to structure it, strategy. So even if some stuff is outdated here, I would still recommend it because he does such a good job on explaining how Google Ads works, as well as the search terms and how to do research and that sort of stuff. That kind of doesn't get outdated. But definitely would recommend this one. Third one is, this is like, if you don't want to do the Udacity Nanodegree, where it costs like $1,000, I would recommend, this is like the next best thing that I would recommend. And this is the complete digital marketing guide. So it goes through, I'll walk you through some of the stuff that they go through. Market research, website building, search engine optimization, email marketing, Google Analytics. So everything, all the digital marketing basics for $18. And then for certifications, you can never go wrong with Google. Google has some free certifications, Google Search Ad certification, Google Analytics certification, and then they also have this e-commerce partnership with Google. And I believe it is a certification as well. And then I have YouTube marketing channels that I like to follow. Surfside PPC does a fantastic job. He understands how to set up a campaign on Google. He'll talk about, like extensions and just different parts of running a Google campaign and Google Ads that I think is great. Next would be Measuring School. It's all about data and conversion tracking. Ben Heath, he's all about Facebook ads. Lastly, Social Media Examiner, which has various digital marketing trends and tips, mainly on social media. But these are the ones I followed, and these are videos that I watched throughout the years to learn more about digital marketing. And then here I have some blogs. So if you found this useful, I'll have the link in the description on all these courses for you to take. It's all for free. You don't have to give me your email. Just click the link and you'll have access to it. And comment down below if you have any other questions. Thank you for watching.